I don't know why the camera always stays zoomed in when I start, but hey, happy rainy Saturday. I'm sitting here in the parking lot at work, getting ready to go in here in a few minutes. Just thought I'd do a follow-up on the new phone mount. Now that it's light, we can peel this back a little bit and show the whole thing. It's not quite sitting fully flat. I don't know if the screws are affecting how it sits. I'll have to look into that a little bit more, but no, that's what it looks like. I put all these little screws on the outside edges are the ones to mount your different accessories. It's got a definite bow to it there, but yeah, I got the phone mount. I've got the magnetic ring on the back of the phone. Boom, fingers. I can adjust it, so maybe we can use that for the camera mount now instead of having the suction cups on the windshield all the time. So yeah, and I wish you could flip the camera over while it was recording. I don't see any way how I'm touching the screen now, but anyway, then we could do some facing the camera while we're driving too, but oh well. Looks all right. I like it. Z1 off-road. So this mat is not exactly for this dash. They changed the dash for 25, 26, so cutouts are not exactly right, but it works. So yeah, I got thunderstorms rolling in this afternoon. Hopefully get some booms. I'm stuck here at work. Went and grabbed me a Jimmy John's and got my work hat ready to go. And yeah, overtime, making the big bucks. Going to be a boring, slow weekend. Our main computer system that we use for working our jobs to build the airplanes is going to be down today for maintenance. So it's going to be slow. Oh well. Easy money. Rain, we need it. We need all the rain we can get. We're getting really dry here in the Pacific Northwest. So if it's not going to be a bad fire season. There you go. There's your update. Talk to you later. Bye.